In this video, you will learn how to reserve a library meeting space using the Whatcom County Library System website. Before making your reservation, we encourage that you read our meeting room policy and procedure documents, which are linked at the top of the page. These documents will inform you of the basic rules for room use, such as our policies regarding food and beverage, cleanup, and room rates. Next, select the branch you are planning to visit. If you want to browse your options, simply scroll down the page. Under each branch, you will see an image of the available spaces, as well as details about each room. Ensure that the room you select has the capacity for your group, and the fixtures you intend to use, such as a projector or a whiteboard. After you have chosen a space, click Reserve this room. Now you are on our booking page. On the bottom half of the page, you will find a sliding list of dates and times. Each row corresponds to one room, as is listed on the left. So in this case, the rows show the availability of Ferndale's conference room, meeting room, and study room. Click on the Go to Date button. Choose the date you wish to make your reservation. Please note that you cannot book a room with under 24 hours of notice. In these cases, please call the library for assistance. If you are making a reservation well in advance, click the small arrows at the top of the calendar to move to the next month. Now you are viewing the room availability for the date of your reservation. The blue boxes show the space's available times. The gray boxes mean the room is already booked. I want to reserve Ferndale's meeting room at 9:30 a.m. I will find the row which corresponds to this room, and the column which corresponds to this time. When you select your start time, the page automatically schedules you for 1 hour. Click the drop-down menu to choose a later end time. I want my booking to end at 12 p.m. Read the terms and conditions. Now, submit your information to be attached to the booking. We ask for your name, email, phone number, and address. If you are reserving a room for a group, give your meeting a name in the organization field. This will ensure library staff can direct your group to the correct room. Please note that you must enter something under organization, but you are welcome to write "not applicable" if you do not want to give your meeting a name. We also require a brief description of how you intend to use the space, and if the space is for commercial use. If you make money by your use of the room, for example, offering tutoring sessions, you must pay a room use fee. In all other cases, using the space is free of charge. Finally, let us know if you need any optional equipment for your meeting, and give us an estimate of how many people will be in attendance. Click Submit My Booking, and you will receive a confirmation email when your meeting has been approved. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you in the library soon.